Hey guys, how's it going? Pretty good here. I plan today to work on my racing mower. It needs an oil change, so I'm gonna do that today. And I wanted to make a video on it to show you guys the project. But yeah, it's pretty good. I put a big 200cc engine in it. The muffler, it's open headers right now because I don't have everything hooked up, but it need to be rinsed still. That's supposed to be coming next week. The guy said he has it, but I gotta go pick it up next week, so when I come back from vacation. So as you can see, it's got a big 200cc Honda engine because Honda's the best. Carburetor's here. I plan to make it a snorkel because I gotta slide the motor head to here, then have the snorkel coming up. But yeah, and the oil needs changing because it's pretty bad. Yeah, it's pretty black. But anyways, I'll get the tools and then I gotta go do some mowing, so I'll go do that and then I'll see you guys when I get back. Hey guys, I got everything set up and got all the tools and the oil. Everything's ready, so we're just gonna get started. So guys, don't forget, there's gonna be a live stream today around 2 o'clock. I'm planning on doing it. I'm gonna probably do the Minecraft for a bit, then the crew. But mostly Minecraft and the crew. I don't think I'll do Forza for a long time, so don't get your hopes up for Forza. So yeah, it's pretty black, and the way this motor is mounted, it's in a bad spot. There's that. The spring's here. The filter should be behind it, and the filter, you gotta clean it every time, and you gotta make sure it's clean. You make sure you don't lose that seal, or it's pretty much screwed. So I gotta take the dipstick out. And we'll let it sit for a bit. Don't worry, it's going all over the frame, but I'll clean it later because the jug goes all the way underneath. As you can see, it's picking it up there. It's doing a really good job at picking it all up. So as we're doing this, I guess I'll clean the filter and show you guys how to clean it. You take it, you grab a rag, and you just run your finger. Your pinky would be better if it's because it's smaller. You do this. What the hell was that? And you just clean it around. If you want to, you can use the compressor too to get all that guck out. But here, redneck. And it cleans it right out. And your filter should look like this after, all clean and really nice. The spring, you should also really wipe it because you don't want that old oil back in the motor. As you see, you just wipe it and it comes out clean. Same goes for this. Make sure there's not one piece of dirt inside of it, because it will clog everything up. As you can see, there's still a bit of dirt like that in it. You gotta make sure that that's all out. So you gotta wipe it really well. Usually I stick it in paint thinner or something, and then wipe it and then wash it. And even the threads, you gotta wipe the threads like this. So it's all clean. As you see, the motor has stopped draining. So I'm gonna pick you guys up here, and we're gonna put some oil in the. If you don't put, what I do is I open the jug, and where the dipstick goes, I put the new oil in with the plug out, like that much, and then when you see the oil come out of here clean, it's then it cleans out a bit of it. Like, look at it, it's already, like, look, it's still black. So I'll get everything ready, then we'll be ready to put oil in. Hey guys, we're all ready to put the oil in, so let's do it. I think it takes like a quart. I think it takes like one jug and a bit. I've already put a bit in to see if it leaks. So far we're doing okay. Okay, we'll put that much and see where we're at. And here's that much left. About half. So we're gonna see. So yeah guys, this is gonna be my racing mower. It's gonna be fast, I can tell you that. My mechanic told me that I need to beef off the front end, because with this engine it's not really strong in the front end. So I'll have to do that. I'll be running, I have to hook up all the cables, and I just want to wait till I get my rear end and then do it that way. I need to clean my dipstick. So far it's still not leaking. That's good. I guess I put the thing on good. I put the dipstick in and it didn't even reach the little point yet. Yeah, just a bit, just a tad. It only reached the dipstick a tiny bit, so I gotta dump a whole lot left. So we'll dump the rest of this in. So yeah, I did some mowing this morning. Pretty muddy after the rain last night, so tractor's got a bit of mud on it. I know I gotta buy new plugs, so that's gonna be the next purchase. Wow, right on the top, perfect. We're gonna check it again though, because it could have just be sitting really high. But it looks perfect the way the oil sits there. The motor's straight. It's, you know, when I mounted, I made sure. Yeah, guys, look at that. Perfect. Right at the top. So we're done. That's pretty good. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thought I'd get a little video up. So talk to you later.